Let's look at the data. By pretty much every objective measure, wealth, safety, lifespan, life is better than it has ever been. And yet, we feel worse than ever. It's like our internal operating system just missed the latest patch notes.
So what's the core of this problem? Well, we're operating under a flawed assumption about our own minds. We believe our rational thinking brain is in charge, making all the logical calls. But the actual system architecture tells a different story. You're not the one driving. And frankly, the driver isn't taking your suggestions.
The best way to understand your mind is to think of it like a car. Your impulsive, emotional feeling brain has its hands on the wheel. Meanwhile, your logical, thinking brain is in the passenger seat, holding the map. So the next time you feel a strong emotional impulse, just pause. Ask your navigator to check the route before your driver floors it. That image of the calm navigator, by the way, is pretty generous to the part of you that's currently arguing for a third donut.
If we're going to upgrade this mental operating system, there's one core principle you need to install. Treat people, and this includes yourself, as an end, never just as a means. Don't use them as a tool to get what you want. So tomorrow, in one key interaction, just focus on respecting their inherent value. Consider it the mandatory security patch for adulting.exe.
Now, for a system diagnostic that might surprise you, hope is not the cure. Often, it's the problem. See, hope works by creating a picture of a better future, which automatically labels your present as not good enough. And to get to that better place, hope needs an enemy to conquer. This is where the system gets buggy, creating conflict where there doesn't need to be any. So much for all those inspirational posters in the break room.
A better life just isn't built on the unstable foundation of hope. So your action for the next 24 hours is this. Identify one difficult truth you've been masking with hope for a different outcome, and then just acknowledge it. No judgment, no plan to fix it. This is the first step toward genuine stability.
I turned this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. Comment what's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours.